So hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Web Sparrow. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new website script of lottery investment website. So basically this is a lottery investment website script and it's a LottoLab latest version script. If you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp link is in description. You can contact us and easily buy this amazing lottery investment website script. And the advantage you will get is we will give you a free installation of the script and we will provide you a complete support with script. And if you need the complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete websites. So don't waste your time and contact us and buy this script. And if you need complete site, buy complete site. So in this video I will give you a complete demo of this website, its admin panel, user panel, and then we will install the script on our hosting server. I will show you how we can install it and completely ready this website. So let's start this video. So first of all, you can look the amazing homepage of this website. You can completely change these details from admin panel. Here you can see the lottery calendar. Here you can see total user, total visitors. Here you can see the join rewards, how to join. Here you can see the recent statistics of the websites. You can see everything right here. You can see you can buy a website, you can buy a ticket from here, lottery ticket, frequently asked question section. Basically you can completely change these details from admin panel and you don't need any coding knowledge to control this site. You can easily change it from admin panel. You can change logos, you can change any text that is on the website. So here you can also change any language you want. You can convert it to any local language you want. So now let's log into our user panel and let's see how its user panel will looks like. But if you don't have an account, you must have to go to register and you have to register on this website. So here you can see that by filling these details you have to register over the site. Now I already have an account, so I am not gonna register. I'll just directly log into my account. And here you can see that here I have to enter my email and my password. So I will enter my email and web123 at the rate of, so I will just directly enter the username, but you can enter username or email, both you can log in with. So this is my username and I will directly enter my password, and here I have to fill the reCAPTCHA, and when I will click on login it will redirect me to my user panel. So here you can see that I have requested for KYC, and when the admin will approve it, KYC will be approved. And here you can see my I can see my total balance, total wins, total deposits, total withdrawals. Here are waiting for draw. And suppose if I want to buy the lottery, so I will go to all lottery and here I can buy any mega lottery ticket. So here are different lottery tickets, mega millions, powerballs, and some other tickets, and you can list these things from admin panel. So now here you can see your total wins. When you go to total wins, you can see all your wins right here. You can purchase lottery tickets, you can view all the purchased lottery tickets. Here when you go to deposit, now you can deposit money using any of the gateway. You can use PayPal, Perfect Money, Skrill, and you can use any of the manual or automatic payment gateway for deposits. And here you have to enter the amount and you can easily deposit money. So same cases with the withdraw. You can withdraw money. You can see the withdrawal history. Here is a support ticket option. User can communicate with the admin of website using the support ticket option. So here when you go to the account, here you can see your profile information, your total transactions, total password change, and two-factor authentication security option. So this is the user panel of this website and it has a very amazing look, and it is completely in a mobile app where you can use it in mobile app easily. And here you can see your referral link, and you can also use it as a multi-level marketing website. So it has also those functionalities. And this is the user panel, and now let's go to its admin panel and let's see how its admin will looks like. So I'm going directly to the admin panel. So let's go to the admin panel of this website. So here you can see that I am on the admin panel login page of LottoLab lottery investment website script, and I've already entered my username and password of admin. Now when I click on login, it will directly log me in to my admin panel, and you can see the amazing look of its admin panel. You can see all total user, active user, banned user, total deposits, total lottery purchase, total deposits, withdrawals, and you can see the amazing graphs related to the investments in lotteries. So it has a very amazing look. I suggest you to buy the script from us, and we will provide you complete support with the script. so that no one will provide you, but we will give you a complete support in case of any issue for installation. Any support you want, we will provide you for completely free. So if you buy it from us, so here you can see all the notification related to user registration, KYC verification, deposits, withdrawal. You can see all right things right here. And when we go to manage referral, here you can manage all the referral settings. You can set different levels of referral from here. So if you want to create a lottery, just go to manage lottery, and here you can create any lottery ticket you want, or you can edit the existing one. So if you want to create a lottery ticket, just go to add new and fill these details, and you can easily create a lottery ticket from here. Here you can see all the lottery purchases, and here you can see all the lottery purchases. Here you can see manual draw. So when we go to user, here you can manage all the users of this website. You can see all the users, and here you can view all the details of user. You can add balances to their account and subtract balance from their account. So when we go to payment gateway, so let's go to automatic gateway. So these are all automatic payment gateways that are worldwide accepted. Now if you go to manual gateway, here you can create any manual gateway, local gateway you want. Just click on add new, and by going to add new, you can fill these details and you can create your own local gateway. So it has very amazing options for gateways. So here you can approve or reject the deposit request of users, and here you can approve or reject the deposit request of the users from here, withdrawal request of users. Same case is a support ticket. You can view the support tickets of user and answer them, and here you can view all the report of your website from here, from this section. So when we go to general settings, so here you can change the site name, you can insert your own name, and here you can change the currency of website. You can convert it to any currency you want. You can change the time zone and site base colors. So let's go to system configuration options, and here you can turn on off different settings of website, email verification, notification, password secures, user registration. You can turn them on off from here. So from logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website and favicon of this website. Just select the logo and upload it. So you can see that there is no coding knowledge required for this admin panel. You can completely control it with GUI, and it has a completely graphical interface, so you don't need any coding knowledge. Here you can manage all the notification of email, SMS settings from here. And here you can manage the pages of this website. So if you want to edit the home page sections, as I told you, you can completely change the detail of home page. So if you want to change the details on home page, for example, I want to edit the about section of this website. So here go to about section, and here you can change the heading, you can change the image, you can change all the description text on the about section from here. Same is the case, you can edit all the sections that are on your website from here. Here you can see all of them and you can edit them. So viewers, now I gave you a complete demo of this website. Now we will go to our hosting server and we will install this script on our hosting server. So I will show you how you can install this and do settings of this website. So let's go to our cPanel and let's install this script. So you can install it on cPanel or Hostinger Edge panel. It completely depends on you. There is a just interface difference. So let's go and install it. So viewers, you can see that I have successfully logged into my cPanel, and if you are using Edge panel, you must have to log into your Hostinger Edge panel. So here what you have to do is, so now you have to go to your file manager and you have to open the public HTML folder, and now I will install it on my subdomain. So I am opening the subdomain folder, but you have to do all this work in public HTML folder. So I've already uploaded this lottery investment script to my website, but you have to upload it from here. Just click on upload and you have to upload this script that I gave you. So here you have to extract this file, and I will just click on extract and it will extract my file. So it may take some time depending on your internet connection. So it has extracted successfully. Now just close this, go to this files folder, select all of these folders, just click on move and just move them to the root directory of your domain. So I am moving all of them to my root directory, and here now what you have to do is you have to type the but first of all, here go to your this option and just copy this link from here, and here you have to type /install after this and just click on it. So it will open our installation window, and here you can see that installation window has appeared successfully. And let me clear you that you can use this script on multiple domains and for lifetime, so you don't need license to update it. So just click on I agree, next step. And here you have to give all these permissions. So I will give all my permissions, and after that I will continue this video. So viewers, here you can see that I have successfully given all the permissions, and now we are ready to go. So now just click on next step, and here it will take its time, and here you have to enter all the database credentials. So I've already created all the database and its user, so I will directly just put the name of my database. So here I have to enter the name of database. So I will go to my C panel again, and here as I already created the database, so I will just enter my database credentials from the databases. So here I will go right here, and here I have to copy the name of LottoLab, this database, and just go to your installer window, and here just paste it right here. So you have to give all these details, and after entering these details, enter your admin login credentials. So simply enter admin login details, and here click on when you click on install now, it will install your script. So it may take some time depending on your internet connection, and it is installing our script. Here you can see that. So you have to wait for it installation. So just wait for it. So here you can see that our script has installed successfully, and everything is okay. Now when I click on go to website, and it will redirect us to our website home page. So here you can see that it is on our subdomain, it is installed on our subdomain, and we have successfully installed this script. So this is a newly created website, you can see right here. And now if you want to buy this script from us, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script. In this video I will completely guide you that how to install this. I will give you a demo of this website. And now hope if you have any questions, you can contact us, and if you have any question you can ask, and if you need any demo you can ask us. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel, and also just share this video with your friends. So thank you.